Hello guys and girls, this is my first video, so I'm just gonna go and start ahead. Yeah, I'm gonna solve Einstein's riddle because it's really not that difficult, for me at least, and it probably won't be difficult to you, so the only thing you have to do is just start. So basically, Einstein's riddle was formed by Einstein, of course, and he claims that only 2% of the people can solve it, and that's a bit of a untruthful thing because I solved it like 3 times already, and each time in different periods and in every different way. So yeah, let me get started. So we have these 15 questions like hints you can use, and we will put them to use. So okay, let's start. First off, we need a tablet, like a table, and I'm already formed it. Now I'm gonna show it to you. So yeah, and if we have this like nation, pet, color, smoke and drink, because everyone has his own nation, his own pet, his own color of the house, his own smoke like cigarettes, and his own drink, and there's 5 of them. So let's start. Let's start with the obvious ones. Okay, the Brit lives in the red house, the Swede keeps dogs as pets, blah blah blah. Okay, so the first obvious one is the man living in the center house drinks milk. So yeah, let's start with the milk. Okay, and the Norwegian lives in the first house. Norwegian. Norwegia. And okay, the Norwegian lives next to the blue house. So let's put here blue. Okay, and then we have, the last obvious one, okay. The owner of the greenhouse, and the greenhouse is next to the white house. So yeah, let's put, where could the greenhouse be? Could it be here? No, because this house isn't white. Can it be here? No, because this house can't be green. So yeah, could it be here? Well, it has to be on the left. So White House definitely can't be here, because let's look again. He drinks milk, and the greenhouse drinks coffee. So yeah, the only possible choice for the White House is here. And then okay, let's proceed. The green. Then we have coffee. Okay, and let's move on. Now it gets a little more difficult. So yeah, let's look at the stats again. The Brit lives in the red house. We still don't know where the red house is, but we definitely know it's not here. And then the Dane drinks tea. Okay, so that means 1, 2 or 3. The person who smokes Pall Mall rears birds. We don't know that yet. The owner of the yellow house smokes Dunhill. Okay, let's put that to use. So we have 2 colors available. So yeah, if we put here yellow, we can see that it actually fits, because the Norwegian lives here, and the only one who has the red house is the Brit. So yeah, we can put yellow, the smoke, Dunhill, and the nation for the third house is the only one who remains, that's red, and the Brit. Okay, let's proceed. And okay, the man who smokes blends lives next to the one who keeps cats. We don't know that yet. The man who keeps horses lives next to the man who smokes Dunhill. Okay, so we know that the second person has horses. And the man who smokes Blue Master drinks beer. And we know that he definitely doesn't drink beer. So yeah, he can only drink a few other stuff. The Norwegian lives next to the blue house. We have already said that. And the man who smokes blends has a neighbor who drinks water. Okay. So this guy could have water, beer, tea, and what else did remain? No, actually that's it. So we already said that he cannot drink beer, because beer is being drunk by the person who smokes, Blue Master. He doesn't. The tea is only drunk by the Dane, so we can cross it out. He drinks water. And yeah, so that means that the man who smokes blends lives next to the one who keeps cats. Okay, and okay, so that means he means blends. Okay, let's proceed then. He means blends, and the man who smokes blends lives next to the one who keeps cats. So that could either be this one, I'm just gonna lower capital, or this one, or this one. So yeah, now we have to look at the other stuff again. So, who can actually, can drink beer? Well, we only know the 2 people drink beer, and the one who doesn't, the only who can drink beer are actually two people, so yeah, it could either be the Brit, sorry, my bad, it could either be the second one or the fifth one. We know that the third one can actually smoke. Okay, he can smoke PM, that's Pall Mall, and Prince, and the BM. So what can we cross out the first? We can see that the German smokes Prince, so yeah, he can smoke only two stuff. No. And these two can actually smoke a lot of other stuff, but okay. The man who keeps horses lives next to the man who keeps donkeys. That we already said, that's the second person. So yeah, let's try to find it out even more and be more accurate. The Norwegian lives next to the blue house. Okay, the Norwegian lives in the first house. The person who smokes Pall Mall rears birds. Okay, now that's an interesting fact, but we can help it. So let's see. Okay, the man living in the center house drinks milk. The man smokes next to the cats. Okay, the man who keeps horses. The man who smokes Blue Master drinks beer. Okay, so we can see that the Brit can smoke Blue Master because he drinks milk. So the Brit smokes PM, Pall Mall, and he's a bird owner. So yeah, and that means that the Norwegian raises cats, keeps cats, raises cats. I don't know what he does with them, as long as he doesn't torture them. Okay, so yeah, we have the other stuff, which means that he can either keep dogs or he can either have other stuff. So yeah. And the only two remaining cigarettes remain Prince and which one? Blue Master. So yeah, we know that the German only smokes Prince, and the Blue Master drinks beer. That means that this one is the Prince. Nation is German, and this one's Blue Master. Okay, let's just put BM, and he drinks beer. And this person drinks tea because that's the only thing left. That means he's a Dane. The German has an unknown pet, that means sweet, and this one is dogs, as stated above. So yeah, this puzzle is rather simple, so that remains the fish and the correct and the sorry and the right. That means that the German keeps the fish. So yeah, that was my first video, and in the next one I'm going to post another one, which is actually called the ships. It's a similar one that has the same procedure, and it's actually also easy, but yeah, I'm gonna solve it. And if you have any other puzzles you want to have solved, then just sure put it in the email into my inbox on YouTube, put it on, I don't know, in the comments, ask me anything, and if you need a better explanation of stuff, I'm gonna give them to you in the comments. And yeah, that's it for my first video. Thanks for watching. See ya!